Are you looking for the best garbage disposals? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best garbage disposals on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. Thousands of happy owners have made the InSinkErator Evolution Compact Garbage Disposal a bestseller. This 3/4 horsepower unit has a large chamber with stainless steel components, plus a 2-stage grind procedure that the brand says can handle even melon rinds and chicken bones. Experts give this model very good marks for speed, fineness of grind, and ability to cut through tough vegetable scraps. It's also simple to install, especially if you're replacing another InSinkErator model, which lets it simply twist into place. Thanks to sound seal technology with sound insulation, an anti-vibration sink mount, and an anti-vibration tailpipe, the Evolution Compact is very quiet. However, one of its sound reduction features is a rubber baffle that fits into the drain, which some buyers say makes water drain too slowly. A few other reviewers say they've had issues with leaks, but this model is backed by an 8-year in-home limited warranty, so if something goes wrong, service agents will come to you. Dimensions: 8x8x 12.1 inches power, 3/4 horsepower capacity, 34.6 ounces maximum speed, 1725 RPM. Number 2. Runner-up, best overall. The 5XP is not the most powerful Badger, but it's close, making it an excellent choice if you want an extremely effective disposal at a lower price and offering a space-saving design. Its 3/4 horsepower motor can handle most food scraps, and it quickly twists into place to install if you're replacing a different InSinkErator. It's made from galvanized steel parts that should hold up and resist rust over time. The main downside with Badger models, including this one, is noise. They don't have all the vibration-reducing features of pricier disposals and are pretty loud when in operation. However, the 5XP's capacity and power should meet most households' needs. Dimensions: 6.3x 6.3x 12.6 inches power, 3/4 horsepower capacity, 26 ounces maximum speed, 1725 RPM. Number 3. Best budget. The Waste King L111 might not be able to take down bones or watermelon rind, but it's a great fit for smaller kitchens or homes where big dinners aren't a nightly affair. Reviewers say it's easy to install, even without a pro, and its 1/3 horsepower motor is also quieter than beefier models. Like larger Waste King models, this one features a front-mounted reset button, removable splash guard, and corrosion-proof grinding chamber. However, some users complain that the splash guard in the drain is stiff and requires you to push scraps down into the disposal more actively than other units. It also has somewhat cheaper materials. Users complain about the metal drain being easy to dent, an indication that the rest of the parts might not hold up as long, either. That said, it does have a 2-year warranty if you need to get it replaced. Dimensions: 5.3x 5.3x 12.8 inches power, 1/3 horsepower capacity, 22 ounces maximum speed, 1900 RPM. Number 4. Best for easy installation. Waste King's Legend line is a bit pricier than the model above but adds a lot more power. It's a 3/4 horsepower unit with stainless steel grinders that can stand the test of time, reflected in the brand's 8-year warranty compared with the 2 years on the L111. Some reviewers say the noise is typical for a garbage disposal, though some people complain of a loud click when it's first turned on. However, almost all are happy with the motor's power, saying it can handle lots of food waste without jamming. Users also note it's fairly easy to install. It has a mountable system and includes all of the necessary hardware. It's backed by an impressive 8-year limited warranty that covers both material and mechanical defects free of charge. The motor and base are a little larger than similar models, so be sure to measure under your sink to be sure there's room for it to fit. Dimensions: 7.8x 7.8x 13.8 inches power, 3/4 horsepower capacity, 27.3 ounces maximum speed, 2700 RPM. Number 5. Best warranty. The continuous feed model is part of Moen's Host series, intended for users who do a lot of entertaining at home, and cleaning up after said entertaining. The permanent magnet motor in this unit spins quite a bit faster than similar models, which grinds scraps finely, and therefore gets jammed less frequently. Users also rave that the removable splash guard does a great job catching unwanted items before they fall in. But if a piece of silverware does slip through, the whole guard lifts out, allowing you to see what you're reaching in for. Despite its sound shield feature, some customers complained about the noise. It's important to remember that a perfectly quiet disposal doesn't exist, but this one might be louder than other options. The Moen is also a few inches wider and taller than comparable models and might not fit easily under all sink setups. Dimensions: 7.8x 7.8x 13.8 inches power, 3/4 horsepower maximum speed, 2700 RPM. Number 6. Best batch feed. They won't run without a drain cover in place, making them very safe, especially for homes with curious children or adults prone to dropping forks down the disposal. The drain cover also activates the motor, so there's no need for an external wall switch, potentially heading off the cost to hire an electrician to install one. This Waste King model features a powerful 3/4 horsepower motor with a sizable grinding chamber, and it runs at 2700 RPM for a fine grind that's less likely to clog pipes. Users did note that this model is taller than many other disposals, which can cause clearance issues under the sink, so measure carefully. The activator cover can take some getting used to if you're switching from a continuous disposal, but it's not difficult to master. Dimensions: 9.7x 9.7x 17.7 inches power, 3/4 horsepower capacity, 33.5 ounces maximum speed, 2700 RPM.